Boom shakalaka. The last time Bitcoin price got squeezed between the 21 EMA, this blue line, and the 100-day moving average, this green line, price dumped pretty hard to what would be $51,000 right now. Could we see the same scenario for Bitcoin this time? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randy here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including could Bitcoin price repeat itself after it gets squeezed between the 100-day moving average and the 21-day EMA that we're seeing right here. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the coolest channel on all of YouTube. Now, Fear and Greed Index today taking a deep dive to 55 back in mustard colored greed, down from yesterday's green greed at 64. The overall market down 1% today. Bitcoin at 61,024, Ethereum at 29.71, BNB at 5.95, Solana 142, XRP 51 cents, Dogecoin 14 cents, Toncoin 5.99, and Cardano 45 cents. Now, Bitcoin, like I mentioned earlier, right now getting squeezed between the 21 EMA and the 100-day moving average. The last time this happened, within about a week, it took a massive dump. What would put Bitcoin right now at this support level, right around $51,000. Could we see the same thing? Well, it's certainly possible. We would have to once again break out of this bull pennant that is forming right here. And, given enough time, we could see Bitcoin price moving back up. We are in the time period historically where Bitcoin does nothing, post-halving, nothing. Everybody wants to buy Bitcoin before the halving, post-halving, nothing happens, probably until September, October. Nothing's going to happen. Guess what? September, October, right in this territory as price starts to go up. But could it break? Well, right now, thick bids at $61,000. Many people calling for $50,000 Bitcoin like I just did, but calm down, stop the doom call right now. It looks like there might be good support at $61,000. And William Clemente saying, did a nice look through the markets for the first time in a week. Funding rates and basis have both cooled off after briefly reaching negative readings, which we can see right here. And stablecoin supplies are rising again, which we can see right here. Looks like we're consolidating before the next leg up. As a matter of fact, Willy Woo goes on to say, early signs, if he squints just right, that flows into the Bitcoin network are picking up again. Probably needs another week to confirm this trend reversal properly, but you can see it looks like it's going from going down to starting to go up. Now, if the price comes down a little bit, not that bad, because we could be completing this massive inverse head and shoulders. Take a look at this. Left shoulder was back in 2021. Head all the way down in 2023. This would be the right shoulder right here, breaking above previous all-time highs, would, based on the size of this head, send Bitcoin price up to roughly $350,000 for the 2.618 fib level. So that could be huge for Bitcoin if it pushes at this level. Now, if we take a look, the 65-month liquidity cycle theory synchronizes with crypto perfectly. The next cycle high is due June 2026. So, for everybody whose sky is falling right now, zoom out, still some more time. You can see right here, this cycle theory pretty much perfectly picked out the bottom. Right now, we're starting to see the price momentum oscillator signaling a bullish cross right down here. Historically, last times this happened in the bull run, look at the massive rallies that followed. Could be a massive rally to come. Final preparation for the post-halving rally. The goal's not to be shaken out. Every time this turns green, this ribbon turns green, it's all up territory for Bitcoin. So don't get shaken out, because you have to remember the overall, theory, simple strategy, whatever you want to call it. Buy Bitcoin 500 days before the halving, sell Bitcoin 500 days after the halving. We're only not even a month after the halving, so there's still a lot more time, many more days to hold on to Bitcoin. Putting this cycle compared with every other cycle, break even since halving. Those complaining about sideways price action likely haven't been around in previous cycles. Bitcoin's merely getting ready for a big pump, but the big pump doesn't happen yet. It goes sideways, likely for the entire summer. This could be one of the last dips before Bitcoin starts its next leg up. If we look at history, after breaking through this blue line, finds support around there before taking off for the next leg of the cycle. Right now we were busy finding support at those same levels because based on these halving cycles, it's estimated could be seeing a multiple $100,000 Bitcoin post halving, and altcoins could be about to take a most incredible alt season. Taking a look, same structure from 2018 to 2021, breakout from the descending wedge, retest of these highs, backtesting everything, and then launching. It's almost the same exact structure and waiting for that second confirmation point right here. When it breaks through, that could be the last moment forever for altcoins before they go to the moon, Mars, and Uranus. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. I love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.